Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a nickname in Instagram chat. Let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap the messenger icon at the top right corner of your home screen. Then open the chat where you want to set a nickname. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. At the top of the conversation, tap your friend's name or the group name. Scroll down in the chat settings screen and select nicknames. Tap on the name you want to customize. A pop-up will appear. Now enter the nickname you want to use and tap Done. The name will only appear in that specific chat. Both you and the other person will see the nickname inside the chat window. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.